And a very good Sunday morning to each and every one of you. This is going to be the general weather forecast for the lower 48 today. And today, of course, is the 14th of April, 2019. I'm Jewel, known as J7409, with the latest in the weather news for you right here. The news that you can use. We still have a threat for severe thunderstorms today. They're going to move into the eastern United States today, and possible flooding and flash flooding could occur from the Appalachians into portions of the Northeast. Roller coaster ride of temperatures continues from the plains to the East Coast. We're looking at the NAM 12K map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. This is good for the next 2.5 days. It's pretty accurate. Before I turn it on, let it roll, and tell you exactly who everybody can expect what, well, until about 10 or 11 for Alabama and portions of the Florida Panhandle, you are under a tornado watch. It's primarily mostly looking like severe thunderstorms, but this is the time of the year. Don't let your guard down. Just be aware of that, okay? And we're going to have some snow on the backside of it, and some over in western Wyoming. We're going to have some deep snow occur. So let's turn it on and get going. Now, this storm system responsible for all of the outbreak of severe storms from eastern Texas through the lower Mississippi Valley yesterday, it's going to continue to move east today and tonight. Now, the greatest threat today will be from the upper Ohio Valley into the central to southern Appalachians, where it's looking like there is a risk in place for severe thunderstorms. And a line of severe thunderstorms ongoing from early this morning is expected to move to the southeast through the remainder of the morning and early afternoon hours. Now, some fragmentation and possible weakening of this line is expected. That's great news. But here's the bad news. A second round of storms is anticipated farther north into the Appalachians later this afternoon. Now, both the southern and northern locations of the storm system will see locally heavy rain from thunderstorms, but the more susceptible terrain of the Appalachians and portions of New York will see a threat for flooding and flash flooding from perhaps as much as 3 inches of rain by tomorrow morning. Now, on the north side of the system, temperatures should be cold enough to support light to moderate snow accumulations from northern Illinois to lower Michigan during the day into the early part of tonight. Now, the combination of the warm temperatures, rain, and lingering snow cover across portions of northern New England will generate a threat for flooding of rivers and streams through Tuesday morning. And folks, it's looking like we may have another chance of severe weather coming in by midweek. I'll keep up on it and keep you updated. Now, behind the cold front, today's high temperatures departure will be well below average from the upper Great Lakes to the central and western Gulf Coast, roughly anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees below your typical mid-April average highs. Now, this cool weather, though somewhat moderate, is going to reach east of the Mississippi River for tomorrow, which will be in contrast to the above average temperatures for you guys today. And across the Great Plains, a chilly start this morning, followed by temperatures much closer to average for today's daytime highs. You might even get well into the 80s for tomorrow from western Kansas into West Texas. Now, we got unsettled weather. It's going to continue through Monday tomorrow for the western U.S. as a cold front moves inland during the day today. Rain and higher elevation snow is going to accompany this system, and some moderate to locally heavy snowfall accumulations is possible in the higher elevations of western Wyoming. You guys could get as much as 1 to 2 feet through tomorrow. Yet another storm system will approach the west coast Monday, bringing a renewed round of rain and mountain snows to California, Oregon, and the Great Basin for the second half of tomorrow, and it will go through tomorrow night, right on into Tuesday. And that's a check of your weather today. Thoughts and prayers for everyone who was hit by tornadoes yesterday. Everybody, it is that time of the year. They're so hard to predict. You can't tell exactly where they're going to go because these systems change patterns. Sometimes they'll nudge a little more north area. I try to capture for you to make people aware, and I will stay on top of it because it does look like we may have some more severe weather coming in by Wednesday or Thursday. Have a good day, a safe day. Hope you do have a good day today, as best as all of us can. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell. Give me a thumbs up and comment if you'd like to do so. I love all of you. Be safe. Okay? Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.